Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. The mat is on the floor. That only means one thing. A big box unboxing. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package from Buy and Ship. And I think this is a consolidation of 3 items. Okay, two big items and one small but terrible item. Not terrible, but small, but what do they say? Small but the highlight of the consolidation. Okay, so don't worry. I'll give you a clue. It's my favorite character. Okay, so this is from Buy and Ship once again, our handy trusty partner in consolidation. And you can see here the package. It's a paper and it contains two things. The one brick of Venom. So this will be for brick break. And another brick of Venom. This will be for another brick break. Okay, so that did not come from the same case. So those are separate bricks. And there is a third one. And the third one, as I said, is the highlight. So let's go ahead and zoom in. Zooming in, zooming in, zooming in, zooming in. Okay, so it's a box within a box. That only means it's good. And for this video, we're gonna look at it together. This is from Gaming Grails Collectibles. Okay, so it seems it's light. It's a box item, but it only actually contains one figure, and that figure is, let's see. Okay, that figure is, it's a plastic. That figure is, it's a plastic again. Here, okay, that figure is Wolverine, Lord of Vampires. And let's take a look at the card. Yeah, so good packaging. And there's nothing here. So good packaging from the seller. Okay, because usually if you have translucent like this, it can get broken. But as you can see here, we got it all in good condition. And this is one of our last ones from the Strange Tales to complete our Wolverine collection. It will be a great part of it. I joined a lot of Strange Tales Brick Break, but unfortunately I wasn't able to pull Wolverine Lord of Vampires Chase. So after the Brick Break was over, I had to now purchase it online. Okay, so Wolverine Lord of the Vampires, we can take a look at him. He is a Chase, number 51, Avengers and X-Men team ability, Avengers, X-Men Monster, Ruler, Vampire Brood keywords. He has a couple of traits. The first one is Welcome to my Kingdom, Bob. When establishing teams, friendly characters that share a keyword with Wolverine, Lord of the Vampires, gain the Vampire Brood keyword. So his keyword cheating all of those amazing keywords into Vampire Brood. And friendly characters with the Vampire Brood keyword can use Steal Energy and X-Men TA. When they use Steal Energy, that use of Steal Energy also heals any friendly characters with the Vampire Brood keyword adjacent to them. So it's good to cluster Vampire Brood in a sense. Okay. Second trait is Mist Form, which is Stealth Super Senses throughout her dial. So that's good, always good for longevity. And the third trait is it will take more than a stake. Okay, because he regenerates. Wolverine, Lord of the Vampires, starts the game on click number 5. He is on the vampire dial. So you can see here. Okay. When Wolverine, Lord of the Vampires, would be healed by Steal Energy or X-Men TA, he may heal past his starting line. Okay, and again, that is the meta part for him because you can give. He's probably gonna be part of the Vampire Brood keyword, and everyone will get that X-Men TA, and you can easily heal him up to be an 11 hypersonic 13 precision, 20 invincible, and 5 exploit. Okay, so of course you can still add equipment for him. Maybe what you call this, a destroyer armor, okay, or whatnot. Real name is Logan, and Secret Avengers number 34 is the significant appearance 2012. And again, you can see the beauty of it. Lunging Wolverine, okay, vampire. If this is the one chasing after you, then you better give up. Okay, but anyway, that's the content of the consolidation. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments, and until the next video, bye bye, Bob. Sneak, sneak, ram, ram, jump, jump.